Hello friends, how are you? Today I show you the thermostat Fujitsu company how to set up timer. If you facing a trouble to setting, I will show you how you can adjust the timer. Okay. So first you go to the timer mode, set the day. Today is a Saturday, so I can set Saturday. You come here, push button day. Okay, so now you check your time. What time is now? 9:40 a.m. So you can put your time 9:30 a.m. Then use put timer mode again, just 2 seconds. This already set timer and day and time already set. Okay, now you can adjust your start timer and off timer day by day. So come again timer mode, pause here, come here and timer set button for a few seconds. Now you can see all day is fluctuate. So now I select all day, so you can push day. After Saturday all select, then you set. Now you put the start timer morning. I put here 7:30, then set off time 3:30. You can adjust yourself what time you want to off and on. So I need to 3:30 off, so I set here, pause 2 seconds. Let's see again. (7:30) off, 3:30 p.m. So all is set. You put again set button. Yes, this time is already set. Okay, now the one thing, if you want to delete Friday or Saturday, or someday you don't want to start, so you push this button timer set again 2 seconds. Now is days fluctuate to like this. Now you select delete to the day, what day you don't want to timer, so you delete Friday, and if you want to delete Saturday you can also delete Saturday. Now you set this timer. So today is Saturday, Friday and Saturday is off. Okay, starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so like this you can set. And please subscribe my channel if you like to this video. Thank you very much. See you again.